Hey there, people. How's it going? What we're going to be talking about right now is the Bayco clamp light with Grip-Tite Super Clamp. I use these all the time. I have two of them. Actually, I need to get a third. What I use them for is I do a lot of short films and, video clips and stuff. I need lighting. These do me very well. They pretty much can be used just about anywhere. As long as you have a socket or an extension cord or something to plug it into, you are good to go. I really like the amount of light it brings out. It's really good. It has a special feature that I like the most about it. It has the clamp that's on the back here. It's this super clamp here that clamps on just about anything. It gets pretty wide, and if you have like a bar or like any kind of a beam, piece of wood that's going up a building or whatever, it will hold it. It is really strong. I have a fear of putting my finger in there, but it will hold it, and that is the best feature about this whole thing. And this part swivels down here, so you can fit it anywhere and it will hold. It's really, really good, and it's very, very economical, extremely. And that's why when I bought this one, I bought two at the same time, because I was really in need of having a light, well, several lights to light up my green screen. Got two of these, and I hung them from my beam that I have in my garage, and it worked really well. It gave me a really good amount of light, and it support 150 watt bulb and shoot out that much light from that bulb, and it really brings it out there. And when it comes out, it comes out pretty soft, depending on the kind of bulb you use. And it's what's a good thing about it. I think this is some kind of a thin aluminum. The whole thing is very, very light, and that's very good. It doesn't weigh anything, because when you're clamping it on something, you don't want it to be heavy, because then it may break or fall or whatever. This is very light. It's only a pound, and you can carry a pound and clamp a pound to just about anything, and it'll be okay. This part down here, it's a vinyl sleeve. That's on there is scratch resistant. So if you're clamping it on anything that is like you don't want to get scratched or anything, you don't have to worry about this scratching it, because it's very soft and smooth. So it like cushions wherever it clamps onto. It's a vinyl. Yeah, I like that really a lot, because you never know when you're going to have to clamp this onto just random things that may be expensive or whatever, and you don't want to mess it up. This does really well. I like it. I really like it a lot. It comes with a 6-foot cord that you'll probably need to, depends on what you're doing, but I need to always attach these to a extension cord, because I hang them up pretty high, and the 6-foot cord is just not doing it. It's not long enough, but that's okay. I didn't expect it to, come with like a 50-foot cord or anything, which would be great, but no. And like I said, you can use this for just about anything. I mean, I use it for filming. You could take these and use them for if you're working at night or something to fix your car. you're painting at night or something like that, or anything pretty much at night that you're doing, you need light. This is your deal right here. It's really good. I really have no qualms with it. Only thing I can say that is kind of a downside is when I use this, it gets pretty hot, this part here. But it takes a long time too. It doesn't do it right away, but it will get hot if it's left on like for, I don't know, like an hour or something like that. But you know, you just gotta consider that and take precaution when you're taking it down and putting it away or whatever, that it may be kind of hot. So just watch yourself on that. Yeah, but this is a good light. I like it a lot. I really like it. Oh, it also has a feature right here to where you can hang it if you want to. Yay! All right. Yeah, these are good lights. Yeah, and I bought two. I'm gonna get another one. Okay, that is the Bayco clamp light with Grip-Tite Super Clamp. Yeah, goodbye right there. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this and used this information. I will talk to you soon. All right, bye-bye.